Hi, I'm James. This year, y'all went to go to the Walmart and get the stupid birds at Walmart. This creepy Walmart birds outside. This is James. I'm allergic to animals. This asshole bird, stupid birds. It's terrible. Oh, look at you there. This is James. This is a pet off at birds. I'm not very happy anymore. I'm making so angry. Got pet off at me. My black birds got pissed off at me. Stupid bird. The bird say, JJ, leave me alone. I never want to talk to you, stupid bird. The mommy said, oh my God, you scare me. My actor, you scare you too much. You scream too much. That could be fundamental long word. Asshole bird. So, I do not recommend get veal stars. Y'all went to go to Walmart. Stupid bird. This is terrible. This is horrible. This is terrible. Asshole bird, thank you. Thumb down. Kind of what, 5 boo hoo hoo.